Update on Vybz Kartel case day 2.
Representing entertainer Adisha Palmer and 3 convicts have argued against sending the matter for retrial. They say it would be impossible for the men to get a fair trial given the high-profile nature of the case and the passage of time.
It became clear yesterday that this is a primary concern of the judges and will likely be the main issue influencing their decision. The questions are whether the juror who had tried to bribe the forewoman should have been discharged from the jury, as the attempted bribery could have biased the jury against the defendants. Also, whether the jury being sent to retire to decide on their verdict about 20 minutes before the usual end of the court day was too late in the day and put pressure on them to reach a verdict. British King's Counsel Peter Knox, representing the government, argued today that the trial judge had a discretion to send the jury to retire at any time. He said the trial judge gave directions to the jury that would have addressed any possible bias and that juries must be trusted to do their jobs. He said in any case, the evidence was so strong that the risk of bias was not an issue and that the verdict was fair. He argued if the court disagreed, the case should be sent back to the Jamaican Court of Appeal for them to decide if there should be a retrial. In response, British King's Counsel Hugh Southey for the appellants said the trial judge's directions to the jury were not enough. He said where one juror had already been let go and another had tried bribery, the jury's verdict could not be valid. He suggested if bribery creates a problem for the Jamaican justice system, the solution is to amend the law, as the British have done, so a case can continue with the judge alone. He also argued that a new trial should not be ordered, since Kartel's high profile and the length of time since the first trial would mean a fair trial is no longer possible. The Privy Council is expected to rule in 3 to 4 months.
Jamaicans will know